the national capital. The air quality in the national capital has slightly improved but remained in the severe category as a thick blanket of smog covered parts of Delhi, Noida, Ghaziabad, Gurugram and other areas of the national capital region. Visuals that you can see on your screen from the India Gate showed people carrying out their daily morning walks while others jogged on the Kartavya Path in a smog-filled atmosphere. While Delhi breathes poison, meanwhile, the Commission for Air Quality Management, CAQM, the centre's pollution watchdog, has revised the graded response action plan mandating the closure of schools in Delhi and NCR districts under the stage 3 and stage 4 of the plan. Previously, the decision to implement these measures was left to the discretion of the state government. Now, the CAQM in NCR, after issuing the letter and to implement the changes in the adjoining areas, revised the GRAP, mandating the closure of schools in Delhi and the NCR districts of Gurugram, Faridabad, Ghaziabad and Gautam Buddha Nagar district under stage 3 and 4 of the GRAP. Alright viewers, now in fact let's take a quick look on how exactly the stubble burning of this entire pollution issue in the national capital over the past few days has looked like. And when we talk about the satellite images where in fact the focus remains to be on the top when there are pollution related issues which have been in fact increasing as the winter sets its foot in the NCR region. We have these visuals which are coming right in this morning, the fresh visual of today, where in fact we can see how the impact of Parali has stretched towards different parts from even the northern part to eastern part of the country, where in fact the isolated areas can show obviously the concentration of the pollutants in the national capital. And when we go about in fact the days before, this is just the yesterday's picture from the NASA satellite, where we can understand that the pollutants which get tracked in the satellites give us an image that the red marked area on the map of India shows that this is the concentration of the PM 2.5 and PM 10 pollutants in the air, also reflecting the kind of concentration of pollution in that region. So, the wider the area is covered with this red outline, the more isolated it becomes when the pollution issue is concerned. And there are also several maps which we get from the IMD also showing that how in fact the smog and the fog of dense layer in fact covers that region. But when we talk about a day before, in fact this is just the picture that we are getting. There are no much differences as we can see ourselves in the pictures, that these scattered regions have more or less been covered with this red outline for the past few days, at least in a week, and that is in fact how the picture has been for so far. Even the stage 3 and the stage 4 measures have been implemented, viewers, in the past few days by the CAQM, mandating several guidelines for the people to follow. These are the visuals that we can see on the screen, which are having in fact not a large impact on the kind of pollution levels that we can track, at least in these satellite images. Despite the stage 3 and the stage 4 of the GRAP being implemented, this is in fact the region which is shrouded completely with pollution, and this is in fact there we have the parts of the NCR region and also the neighboring states of Punjab and Haryana, where we can see in fact this is also getting scattered over there. Also, if we get more pictures of the last 7 days to put it in comprehension and collectively, if we have to look at how does it look like, this is in fact the entire picture of the past 7 days. There is a concentrated focus on bringing out how collectively the kind of picture looks like from the past 7 days when we talk about the Parali burning. This is largely due to the stubble issue and the biomass emission that comes from the farm areas of Punjab and Haryana, where in fact these areas do impact the pollution in the NCR region, no denying in that, but the farm fires where have largely contributed does give it a picture that the even mitigation efforts in these areas to curb the pollution levels is very hard. As we can see in the NASA pictures themselves showing the kind of reality that we get from the Parali burning. In fact, this is the kind of picture. All right, viewers, now let me give you a sense of how the thing is on the ground, and to get more onto that, I have my colleague Mehendi Garg and in fact Gohit joining me live on the broadcast. All right, first let me start with Gohit, who is joining me from Gurugram. Gohit, how is the situation in Haryana and Punjab when you're talking about at this point where there is India-Haryana border? Gurugram in fact shares a big size where pollution is also reflected largely. What is the early morning change that you are observing from the ground? Bring us the detailed report.
तो गुरुग्राम में AQI लेवल जो है वो 400 के पार जो है दर्ज किया गया है और लगातार गुरुग्राम में जो पॉल्यूशन है वो बढ़ता हुआ नजर आ रहा है। आपको बता दें गुरुग्राम और दिल्ली जो है वो एक ही बॉर्डर शेयर करते हैं, जिसकी वजह से जो ग्रैब कोड लागू किया गया है जिसमें भारी वाहन है जिनकी दिल्ली में जो एंट्री है उसको बैन किया गया है, उस पर कहीं ना कहीं अभी बॉर्डर्स पर पुलिस तैनात की गई है। लगातार जो पुलिस निगरानी रख रही है कि जो हैवी व्हीकल्स हैं उनको दिल्ली NCR में दिल्ली में नहीं घुसने नहीं दिया जाए। साथ ही कई ऐसी चीजें हैं जिसके ऊपर पाबंदियां गुरुग्राम में लगाई गई हैं और गुरुग्राम में जो जिला प्रशासन है वो लगातार लोगों को सतर्क करता हुआ नजर आ रहा है। इस वक्त गुरुग्राम में जो चलान है वो 6 लाख से ऊपर के चलान, माफी चाहूंगा 60 लाख से ऊपर के चलान इस वक्त गुरुग्राम में MCG द्वारा काटे गए हैं। साथ ही अगर बात करें डिस्ट्रिक्ट टाउन प्लानिंग की, तो उन्होंने भी जो कंस्ट्रक्शन चल रही है गुरुग्राम में उस पर लगातार चलान लगाने शुरू कर दिए हैं। 5 लाख रुपए चलान DTP द्वारा रखा गया है। इसी तरीके से गुरुग्राम में कई जगह पर जो प्रदूषण बढ़ रहा है उसको रोकने के लिए कदम लगातार उठाए जा रहे हैं। जिला प्रशासन कई चीजों पर पाबंदियां लगा रहा है। बात करें अगर प्राइवेट स्कूल्स की और सरकारी स्कूल्स की, तो उनको पूरी तरीके से अभी ऑनलाइन कर दिया गया है। बात करें अगर कॉर्पोरेट एम्प्लॉयज की, तो उनके लिए भी 50% वर्क फ्रॉम होम कर दिया गया है। तो ये साफ तौर से दर्शाता है कि किस तरीके से जो गुरुग्राम में अभी स्थिति है वो खराब होती हुई नजर आ रही है और प्रशासन भी इस वक्त अलर्ट होता हुआ नजर आ रहा है कि लोगों का जो स्वास्थ्य है वो बिगड़ता हुआ नजर आ रहा है, लोगों को हेल्थ पे इफेक्ट पड़ रहा है। क्योंकि अगर बात करें गुरुग्राम के सिविल हॉस्पिटल की, तो वहां पर लगातार जो पेशेंट्स हैं उनकी संख्या बढ़ती हुई नजर आ रही है। पेशेंट्स को लगातार दिक्कतों का सामना करना पड़ रहा है। अगर बात करें ट्यूसडे की, तो ट्यूसडे को 2400 पेशेंट्स गुरुग्राम में।
All right, Gohit, I'll request you to kindly stay on with us on the broadcast while we are also getting more ground reports and how the picture on the ground in fact looks like when we're talking about these figures, the kind of situation which has in fact been a product of the increasing air pollutions in the national capital. Joining me live is also my colleague Anil Chaudhary from Ghaziabad. Now from a border state of in fact Haryana, we go to Uttar Pradesh where Anil Chaudhary is with us. Anil, what is the situation this morning as Delhi continues to choke at this point of time? The stage 4 GRAP guidelines have been revised, and what we are understanding about the kind of change that we can see in the national capital, is there been any sort of improvement after the implementation of stage 4? Has there been any improvement seen on the ground? Are there people taking it more seriously into following the directions?
देखिए, मैं आपको बता दूं, ग्रैब 4 लागू होने के बाद में सिर्फ गाजियाबाद में एक चेंज जरूर देखा गया। जो बच्चे बाहर जा रहे थे, स्कूल जा रहे थे, उनको बेहद परेशानी हो रही थी, आंखों में जलन वो लगातार बता रहे थे और बच्चे बीमार होने लगे थे। तो उनको लेकर गाजियाबाद में ये कदम जरूर उठा लिया गया है। क्लासेस जो है कक्षा 1 से लेकर 12वीं तक के जो छात्र हैं वो अब ऑनलाइन क्लासेस अपने घर बैठकर ले रहे हैं। तो ये एक अच्छी बात कह सकते हैं, पर कोई भी और अन्य स्टेप अभी फिलहाल नहीं उठाया गया है, क्योंकि ग्रैब 4 के जब नियम लागू होते हैं तो बेहद सख्ती बरती जाती है। सड़कों पर लगातार छिड़काव होता है, पर ऐसा कुछ भी यहाँ नहीं दिखा। तस्वीरें आप देखेंगे देख सकते हैं किस तरीके से धुंध जो है वो अभी भी छाई हुई है, और ये कोहरे के साथ साथ पोल्यूशन भी है। पोल्यूशन की जो मार है वो आम जनता झेल रही है। सूर्य देवता ने दर्शन दे दिए हैं, पर तस्वीरें अभी भी आपको जो दूर की हैं वो नहीं दिख रही हैं। पर थोड़ी सी राहत आप कह सकते हैं कुदरत ने दी है। बीती रात से तेज हवाएं गाजियाबाद में देखी गई, जिससे कि पोल्यूशन थोड़ा डाउन पॉइंट पर आया है। AQI जो 500 के पास पहुंच रहा था लोगों का, वो 400 पर पहुंचा, 400 के पास पहुंच गया। और वही जो अन्य इलाके हैं, जैसे कि वसुंधरा की बात करें या इंदिरापुरम की बात करें, गोविंदपुरम की बात करें, उन इलाकों का जो 300 था वो घटकर जो है 280 पर पहुंच गया है। मतलब आप समझ सकते हैं कई इलाकों का 250 पर भी पहुंचा है। तो सिर्फ लोनी का जो इलाका है दिल्ली के बिल्कुल सटा हुआ, वहां के हालात तो अभी भी 10 के 10 ही बने हुए हैं, पर जो कुछ इलाके हैं वहां पर राहत जरूर देखी गई है। फिलहाल एक तस्वीर और मैं दिखाना चाहूंगा कि काम की पता लगती है आखिरकार अधिकारियों का काम किस तरीके से है। आप ये देखेंगे, ये सड़क के किनारे ये जो पेड़ है, पेड़ पर देखेंगे आप कितनी धूल है। ये सीधी तस्वीरें हम अपने दर्शकों को दिखा रहे हैं, ये देख सकते हैं। यही वो धूल है जो आम जनता की जो आसपास का वातावरण है उसमें घुलती है, और पोल्यूशन से लोग परेशान होते हैं और हालात बद से बदतर लगातार होते जा रहे हैं। जरूरत है इस ओर विशेष ध्यान देने की, अधिकारियों को ग्राउंड जीरो पर काम करने की।
All right.
ग्रैब के नियम तमाम लागू कर दिए जाते हैं, वो सिर्फ और सिर्फ फाइलों में दबकर रह जाते हैं, ग्राउंड पर कुछ भी नहीं दिखता। यही वजह है लगातार पोल्यूशन का जो स्तर है बेहद गंभीर श्रेणी में पहुंचता जा रहा है।
All right, Anil. In fact, the kind of picture that you have shown from Ghaziabad does reflect that there is still no seriousness when it comes to adhering to the guidelines that is being put, whether it is in fact barring of these BS3, BS4 vehicles. But when you talk about Delhi, when we come back about Delhi, and these are the CAQM recommendations which also say that there are going to be staggered timings for the private offices, the schools are being shut. And to get a ground sense and the pulse of what's in fact looking like at this morning, I have my colleague Mehndi Garg joining me from India Gate, where in fact a lot of people, the runners especially, do come early morning and do face in fact also a lot of health hazards. Mehndi, this morning it is being reported that AQI has dipped a bit. But when we talk about the picture, of course, there is smog and there is pollution, there is irritation. What is the sense that you are gathering from ground? Is the picture also any better for the people who have to be outside most of the time, and also people who are around that India Gate region? Mehndi.
Well, yes, Simran, right now the situation is still under very poor quality because the AQI has been observed to be between 350 to 400. But talking about the comparison, then the last 2 days were very alarming and very serious because in some of the areas the AQI has crossed the level of 1000. But right now we are at India Gate, and I'll show you the visuals also. You can see that how you can, a thick layer of smoke can still be seen in the environment right now in India Gate, and still the India Gate looks foggy. It's, half it's because of the fog that has started in the environment due to the winter approaching, and also it is because of the smoke. And if we can show you the visuals of the Kartavya Path also, the Rashtrapati Bhavan is still not visible, which was visible earlier when there was no pollution. But right now, as you can see that it's 9 AM already, but the number of people has increased in comparison to the earlier days. But still, if we talk about the morning walkers, then the number is decreasing because of the air pollution. And when we talk to them also, they say that they feel a sense of smokiness in the environment. They feel a breathing problem, and also coughing is happening with a lot of people right now. So yes, health hazards are there within people. If we talk about the situation on the ground, then it has become a little better as of today, but it's not because of the rules and regulations or the GRAB 4 imposition, but it's because of the winter approaching. Because yesterday there was a sense of chillness thickness in the air due to which the fog was there, and also due to the air droplets and the wind that is passing through the Delhi NCR is helping in decreasing the air quality, increasing the air quality rather, and decreasing the air pollution in the national capital. But still the situation is alarming right now, and this is one of the busiest areas also, and you can see the vehicles that is passing through the India Gate area, the central Delhi area still remains the same. But you know, the offices have become work from home, the schools have been shifted to the online mode. There was a reason behind it, so that the vehicles can be in a less number in the national capital, but still the situation remains the same, because the amount of vehicles are same right now in the national capital, which is not helping at all in decreasing or combating the problem of air pollution, because the number remains the same. But a lot of things is getting affected. The studies of the children are getting affected, their health are getting affected. So yes, it is a very alarming situation right now. Still the AQI has been observed to be above the levels of 400 right now in central Delhi. But talking about one of the major and hotspot areas, talking about the Akshardham area, the Anand Vihar area, the ISBT or Kashmiri Gate area, still there is the condition is very alarming and very bad, because the AQI is being observed to be above 500. So it is high time, and it is a big eye opener for all the officials and for the Delhi government, for the central government, to take serious and strict steps to combat this problem. Yes, Simran.
All right, Mehndi, thank you for giving us the real sense from the ground of how, in fact, while Delhi breathes poison and continues to choke, the kind of situation that remains to be very difficult and remains very severe for the people of Delhi.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.